Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil, and this video is related to the Knime. I have already created 2-3 videos related to Knime, and this is one more video on that. So the point of this video is when you connected Knime to the SharePoint list, you won't be able to extract data like created by and modified by columns. So if you see over here, this is kind of created and modified by column in a SharePoint list. If you see, all these line items was created by me, but my name is not appearing here over here. It's just saying that line number is saying that only 7th. Okay, so what is 7th is my name. Basically 7th is my internal ID to the SharePoint and the Microsoft authentications. So how we can fetch this? So for that, I have already to save the time, I have already connected this connector, uh, Microsoft authentication. This is the important factor. So if you want to connect your SharePoint to the Knime, then this will require, you just need to add credentials over here and you are good to go. Second is SharePoint online list reader. So from here you can extract the data. So to get our user details about, there is some system list also available over here. So you have to remember this, you have to use this user information list users. This particular list you need to fetch, then only you can extract data. So if you see this 7 number and row 9 is the my the yes, again over the top, if you see, my name will appear over here. Okay, so Swapnil Kuite is on 7th number. So I will click on OK. Okay, just for the tweaking purpose, I will add one more expression over here, because I need what I will do, I will explain over here. uh, so basically my name is appearing over here. Okay, so I will show you, don't worry. So I have to replace this, means I am creating a new field, or sorry, a new column called created by. Okay, okay. Okay, for that, so what I am doing is I will apply one is the filter, because I know which column need to fetch, because there are multiple columns available over here. So I just need, I will show you which columns you need to fetch. One is the user, where you will get username, means where you will get your email ID. And second column what you have to fetch is, you have to fetch is the name with the title, which contains content, I guess, your name. Okay, so my name, let's say Swapnil. Okay, the Swapnil name is appearing, and here is my email ID. So in the expression, what I will do is, I will I will create a created by column, and in that I will fetch my name. Okay, so for by why I am fetching this, because I need this for the joining purpose. Okay, so after that, what I will do is I will use a join. Okay, and then from here I will connect this. Okay, so in which condition you need to join? In SharePoint list, I have a column called created by, modified by, but my name is not appearing, so the 7th. Okay, and if you see, I have filtered out the columns. Okay, and okay, I need to filter out one more column called ID. So in ID, my ID is appearing. Okay, so if I fetch this, if you see, ID 7th, and my all details will be available here. 9 ho ho, and if you fetch the ID column, then Swapnil Kuite and email ID will appear over here. So now, just a simple step, you have to use ID from the top column, and from here you have to use created by. Okay, and I want this to be matching rows. I just need a matching rows. Okay, so for that, and again from right and match rows. I don't need again ID from the left hand side, I just need ID from the right hand side. And let's see, click on OK. If I play this, let's see. Okay, so now you can see, I have two columns created by initially, and this is the newly created by. Okay, so my name is now appearing, because initially it's saying like a 7th. Okay, where is that? Yeah, it's saying like 777, but now it's showing like a 777, but now I can see my name over here. So this is how you can use the simple trick, and you can fetch the data from the SharePoint with your name and all. Okay, if you like my content, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.